Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll explore the incredible power of AI in the economy. Artificial intelligence has become a driving force behind economic growth and innovation, and its impact is only getting stronger. AI has evolved from a futuristic concept to a transformative technology that permeates various sectors of the economy. From finance and healthcare to manufacturing and retail, AI is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. Its ability to process vast amounts of data and extract valuable insights is unparalleled. Let's delve into some fascinating applications of AI in the economy. In finance, AI-powered algorithms are enhancing fraud detection, improving investment strategies, and revolutionizing customer experiences. In manufacturing, AI-driven automation is streamlining production processes and optimizing supply chains, leading to increased efficiency and reduced costs. The integration of AI in the economy raises important questions about the future of work. While some jobs may be automated, AI also creates new opportunities and demands new skills. We must prepare for the changing nature of work by upskilling and reskilling the workforce to thrive in an AI-driven world. As AI continues to advance, we must address ethical considerations and challenges. Ensuring transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI systems is crucial. Additionally, we must mitigate potential biases and protect privacy while harnessing the power of AI for the greater good. Thank you for joining me on this journey through AI in the economy. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest videos. Together, let's explore the fascinating world of AI and its profound impact on the economy. Subscribe now for more AI-driven insights and updates on the future of the economy.